Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back. So in this video, I want to talk about metal roofs. You might be looking for a roof replacement on an existing home. It might be time for a new roof and you're thinking, should I go with a metal roof? Or maybe you're building a new home and you're trying to decide what kind of roof to go with, whether you know, asphalt, shingle, or metal. Stick around, you might want to watch this video. This is our log home. Hopefully you can see it. The sun is very bright today. You can't really tell that we have a metal roof because it's covered in snow right now. We had just a recent storm brought us 28 inches of snow. We're supposed to get some more this weekend. But I'm here to tell you, we love our metal roof. We love that we went with a metal roof. It just seemed like the right choice. Log homes and metal roofs go together, it seemed like. But one thing we did not consider when we were building our house is the dangers of a metal roof. And let me explain, because the very first year that we were in this home, a few years ago, I think it was 2021 when we moved in, early 2022, we got a snowfall of about 18 inches, and we didn't have solar panels yet. We have them now, you can't really see them, but and we didn't have snow guards on our roof yet. And I never considered this, but I had just finished clearing a walking path to the driveway. You can see right here, see how I've got the walking path? And I literally had just finished. And I went inside, and about 5 minutes after I got inside the house, we hear this thunderous crash. And I looked out the window, and there was a mountain of snow right here on my front steps. And I had been standing there only 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes earlier. Had our son been out here playing, he was only 4 years old at the time, it would have killed him. If he was standing there and the snow fell on his head, it would have killed him. Literally, or it would have broke bones. It would have did some really serious damage. If I were still out here shoveling my steps when that roof collapsed, it would have hurt me. Let me walk around the back. I'll show you. So we've since sort of rectified that problem, and you can tell we have a lot of snow still up on our roof, and it's only 17 degrees out right now. It was 0 this morning when I first woke up. When it starts to warm up, and that snow starts to melt a little bit, that snow is going to crash down. So we have to be very careful about it. I'm considering getting a roof rake and trying to pull some of that down. I don't know how. On the front, it's not quite as bad because we have our porch, and the pitch on the porch is not as steep. But on the back side of the roof, this is a 12-12 pitch roof. It's a very steep roof. On the back side of the house, there's no dormers, there's no porch roof. So, you know, there's just nowhere. We've already had the snow avalanche back here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back here. There's a big snow mound. Let me see. This might be better if I do it from the back porch. Let me run around to the back and we'll pick up where I leave off here. Okay, so here I am. I'm out on my back porch. I'm going to try to get an angle here. You can see we still have some snow up on the roof. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Let me try to zoom in. Right there, you can see that above our door, we do have a snow guard and like a snow rail. And that's helpful to a certain degree. But when you get the amount of snow that we had this past week, 28 inches, you know, there's only so much those snow guards can hold, and then eventually the snow is going to crash over it. So our porch, I've already shoveled it, but we had a snow avalanche out here, and it was so much snow that it was literally up over the rails. You know, it just crashed down, and this entire porch was covered. You know, the snow was probably only 2 or 3 inches below the top of the rails here. The same thing happened down here in the dog kennel. And this, let me flip the camera around. This might be an easier way to show you this. So, you know, I shoveled out a little spot for the dog to come down here and do her business, but take a look at the size of this mound right here, this mountain. That mountain's probably 3 feet high right now. There's, like I said, there's only so much you can do when you have a metal roof with a 12-12 pitch. It's going to happen. So our dog kennel is covered. We're not going to get, it's going to be a long time before we see the grass down there. But again, let me see if I can get up here. So you see the metal, we got the metal right here. You can see the rail, and it's holding some snow up. And back here, it's only above the porch. In the front of the house, okay, as I was saying, in the front of the house, we've got, you can't see it because it's covered in snow, but there's a roof, there's a snow rail going across the whole length of the porch. So that should be, because the porch roof pitch is so shallow, that should be enough to protect us from a major crash out here. But we probably still will have one. That's yet to be determined, but we'll see. But what I'm getting at is, if you're considering a metal roof, if you live in a climate where you get a lot of snow, that should be a major consideration for you, because it's dangerous. The bottom line is, it's dangerous. Would I do it again? Yeah, I love the metal roof. The benefit to a metal roof is I'll never have to do my roof again in my lifetime. If your roof is installed correctly, it's a lifetime roof. You'll never have to replace it. I'll never, I'm 55 years old right now. That roof is 4 years old. I'll never have to do a thing to that roof in my lifetime, unless, of course, the solar installers effed up and didn't install the solar right. Then I could have some issues, but I don't think they did. We're not having any leaking issues or anything like that right now. So, but a metal roof is a lifetime purchase, so consider that. Over here, you can see our metal garage. In comparison to our house, this is only a 3/12 pitch, so the pitch is much more shallow. We probably won't have a snow avalanche. If you've got a shallow pitch like that, we might have a small avalanche, but we won't have a major one on the garage. But on the house, like I said, with a 12/12 pitch with a steep, I don't know, what in the world? I'm trying to do this up and down. I don't know. Anyways, this pitch right here, it's such a steep pitch that, be aware there's dangers with a metal roof. So anyways, that's my thoughts for today. It's really cold outside. I'm going to head back in. I still, technically I'm working right now, but I'm going to head back in, get some work done. But I wanted to drop this video for anybody that might be considering a metal roof. There's a danger involved, and you should know about it before you make your decisions. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm trying to be a little more consistent with my videos. I'm going to try to get on a schedule of either Thursdays or Sundays, or Thursday and Sunday uploads this year. That's kind of like my resolution for YouTube this year, is to get on a consistent uploading schedule. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, hype. There's a new feature, if you don't know, there's a hype feature. So if you like this video, hit the hype button. I think it helps the algorithms push it out to more people. And if you're in an area that's getting more snow this weekend, be safe. Catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.